Welcome to this simple tutorial. Here we are just looking at two cells. Okay, you have cell F and cell G. And you have labeled parts H and J and I. Identify the part labeled H. Okay, so H here you can see H simply is the cell membrane. Okay, the cell membrane. Okay, then how does part H differ from I? So this is cell membrane, this is cell wall, this is cell wall. So how do these differ? So we can say that H is selectively permeable and it can allow anything to pass through it. H is selective, meaning it selects what should enter in or leave. Okay. Well, I is completely permeable. Okay, it permits anything to enter. Explain the row structure. Okay, explain the row. Here is supposed to be row of structure J. So structure J, that is the vacuum. So it stores cell sap. Okay, it stores cell sap. To which group of living organisms does cell F belong to? Cell F belongs to which group of living organisms? It is animals. Okay, animals. But this one, it's plant. So an animal cell and the plant cell. Okay. So for online tuitions, you can contact this number here. You'll be added to the group. We do biology, science, that is physics and chemistry, and also English, RE, civic education, and many more.